Personal branding is important. This, like all You Inc. missions, are designed to help you succeed in your career. As consumers, we buy from people we know, like, and trust. APA Solutions trusts me to provide you the best brand strategy training. Why would you trust me? Look, I'm just an average guy who invested in my personal brand a few years back, an educator turned entrepreneur. I understand how people learn and why they buy. I've helped hundreds of people and dozens of companies develop strong brands. I can account for over $3.3 million in revenue generated from LinkedIn leads since 2013. This year I began hosting LinkedIn local events to get to know the people behind the profiles and build a community. I want to help you take your brand to the next level. In a nutshell, we make emotional connections to stories and people, not products and services. B2B or B2C, it's all human to human. Some people will do business or apply for a job with your company all because they trust you. A common misconception is that personal branding is only online. Personal branding is a combination of online and offline, inside and outside activities. If you have any doubt about the importance and effectiveness of personal branding, let me prove the power of personal branding with these statistics of individual and company messages. Only 33% of buyers trust messages from a company, while 90% of customers trust recommendations from someone they know. 77% of all discussions on social media are folks seeking advice, information, and help. This is much easier to answer and interact as an individual as opposed to a company. Use your personal brand to stand out. Use your personal brand to add value to your career and to your employer.